Okay guys, this is why we love what we do. We get cars like this, Rolls-Royce. It's got curb rash. We're going to fix the curb rash, and we're going to take care of this door ding in the door right there. So people bring their finer cars to Houston Wheel Repair because we worked on them all. Ferraris, Lamborghinis, Rolls, Bentley, Aston Martins, Jaguar, Lexus. You know, wheels are wheels. Okay, we've done them all, but here's the wheel. It's got curb rash right here. Now, I'm gonna show you a before and after with this. So you can see that once we get through with this wheel, you won't even notice that the curb rash was there. So this is why we love what we do. We get cars such as this, big boy cars. People spend a lot of money on their toys, and you want to trust your toys and your high line, high dollar car to the best. HoustonWheelRepair.org, mywheeldoctor.com. This is another reason why we are the best.